What is going on, investors? My name is Emmanuel, and I just wanted to quickly make this video and put this brand new EV SPAC on your radar. EV SPACs have been going absolutely insane this year. This year, without any doubt, will be referred to as the year of the EV SPAC bubble. And the question is, are you going to profit from it? Because at the end of the day, the reason why we are all in this stock market investing game is to make money, and also is to grow our wealth, right? So far, we've been able to ride some of the EV SPAC wave, and we've been making some incredible gains, especially if you are a subscriber of this channel or a member of my Discord group. The links are in the description below to my Discord. And our most recent best performer was the Romeo Power SPAC. The ticker symbol is RMG, and I spoke about it on this channel just a few weeks ago, right before it popped. But this stock that I'll be putting on your radar today is a brand new EV SPAC that just got announced only a few moments ago. And if this year is anything to go by, this stock could potentially run, especially word gets out that it's one, an EV, and two, it's a SPAC. So as they say, the early bird catches the worm. So in this video, I'll be sharing one, the news of the merger, the name of the company, and the SPAC company that it will be merging with. Two, I want to do a quick run through of the company's overview, what the company do and their products that they provide. Three, I want to look at their current potential customers. They do boast some good names. Four, I want to look at their financials and their current future projections. And lastly, I'll be telling you what I'll be doing with all this information. So with that said, don't forget to destroy the like button. It lets me know that you appreciate this type of content. Also, if you're new to the channel, then hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all the stocks that I am buying, selling, and all the stocks that I am watching. Okay, so with that said, make sure you join my Discord group. Links are in the description below, and it's currently free. So definitely jump in if you want to stay up to date and you want to be ahead of the curve. So with that said, let's dive into the video. So the news of this merger just broke before market open on the Business Wire, and it states EV company Electric Last Mile is to list on the Nasdaq through the merger FIII Merger 3 Corporation. The combined company will be named Electric Last Mile Solutions Inc. and will continue to be listed on the Nasdaq under the new ticker symbol ELMS. So if you want to invest in this SPAC before the merger is complete, you will have to invest in FIII Merger 3 corporations, which is funny enough because Tattooed Chef went through FIII Merger 2. So these guys are back at it again. And it goes on to say pro forma implied the value will be around approximately $1.4 billion. Now, the article also provides us a bit more detail regarding Electric Last Mile, and it says, following the combination, ELMS expects to launch its urban delivery van as the first electric Class 1 commercial vehicle in the US, with the expected lowest total cost of ownership in the third quarter of 2021. To date, ELMS has over 30,000 pre-orders from customers, including some leading brands and some of the largest fleet managers and dealers in the country. Okay, so that's a great segue into what the company actually does. So on their website, Electric Last Mile Solutions, they claim to be a new US electric vehicle company, transforming commercial delivery networks for the e-mobility businesses of today and tomorrow. They also claim that their technology is designed to deliver the most reliable, the most efficient electric last mile solution, combining integrated deep data analytics, customization, and sustainable engineering. Now, is anyone else getting really strong workhorse vibes, or is it just me? Because this sounds a bit like workhorse. Now, looking at their main product or their main EV van, and you know what? First impression, it literally looks like they just went to like a van auction, right? Like they picked this van up from the auction, they found the cheapest white van that they could, and they pretty much just stuck their company logo on it. It doesn't even look like an EV van at all. At least with Arrival, ticker symbol CIIC, at least their buses and their vans, whatnot, it looks futuristic and looks really cool. But these guys, they just picked up some random van. But anyways, like that's just me speculating. It could be high tech, but regardless, the ELMS EV Urban Delivery is their new urban delivery vehicle, which has a class-leading 170 feet cubic cargo capacity, a range of up to 150 to 200 miles, and are capable of fully charging in as little as 2 hours. That's impressive. It's designed to offer the lowest total cost of ownership, that's a plus, compared to Class 1 vehicles. That's 350% TCO savings, 60% maintenance cost reduction, 35% from cargo space than the Class 1 leader. But look at it. I'm sorry, regardless of what they say, It just looks like a normal white van with their logo stuck on it to me. But that's just me, all right? Maybe I'm just being cynical. That's just me. So let's look at some of the customers that they have, because remember, in the announcement of the merger, they said they have 30,000 pre-orders. So here's a list of their current engagements and also pre-orders. And they've listed the likes of Siemens, they've listed Enterprise, IKEA, so Best Buy. They've even got FedEx listed in there and Disney as well. I mean, these are some quality customers. They've got Walmart, they've listed Red Bull, and even, believe it or not, they have Tesla. Really? So with that, I got a bit skeptical, so I decided to zoom in to the small print at the base of this presentation, and it says, as of November 25, 2020, companies on this page are either A, customers with who ELMS or its distributing partners are currently in discussion, or B, these are customers who have signed pre-orders. Final purchase order contingent upon satisfaction of customer requirements. So that pretty much means if the customers who have made these pre-orders of 30,000 vehicles are not satisfied, then they can pretty much cancel these orders at any time. That's essentially what that small print means. Now, quickly moving on to their financials, because I do want to give this company a benefit of a doubt. As of 2020, because they're a new company, they have currently sold 0 units, which means they have 0 revenue for 2020. But by 2021, they expect to sell 4,000 units somehow, and that would generate a revenue of $122 million with a gross profit of $26 million. And they've given us their projections for 2025, and they expect to sell 83,000 units somehow, generating a revenue of just over 3 billion with a gross profit of 891 million. They also expect the urban delivery segment's compounded annual growth rate to be at 13%, and their path to $3 billion in revenue represents a 123% compounded annual growth rate. I mean, I just want to say right here, I'll be very, very impressed and very surprised if this company is still around in 2025. And if it is around, it's probably going to be a penny stock, in my opinion. But hey, time will tell. Perhaps maybe I'm wrong. Perhaps maybe I'm being a bit skeptical. And maybe they do go on to become a great company. But with all that we've discussed regarding this company, the most important question is, what will I be doing with all this information? And my answer really depends on what the price opens at, because I don't see this company as a long-term investment for me at all, by any means. But I do see a great potential short-term speculative play. I'll be looking to start a position if there is a buying opportunity. But remember, I will stress this is not a long-term hold for me in the slightest. I think this company is just simply jumping on the EV SPAC bubble wave right now. So I will want to say, I want to put this disclaimer out there that be very careful and seriously only invest money in this company that you're not afraid to lose. Okay, so but with all that said, please make sure you do your own due diligence and your own analysis before you decide to invest in any stock. Remember, I am not a financial advisor, so please view my content as purely educational and not investing advice. If you do want to learn about investing in stocks, there are some useful links in the description below, including some books that I highly recommend. Before you go, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to see more content from me. Make sure I do want to see you in my Discord group, so click the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.